Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today we are going to do beginner level flowers that are so easy and one of my favorite ways to do them. So I am going to make two coasters. So here they are. And I'm going to use the Sakura Black Pearl, the Castin Craft, and the Pinata Blanco. Make sure you shake these up before you use them. So I've already got these two mixed up. And I have made the glitter for the center, which is, be sure and put the glitter first in your cup, and then add the glitter. Add the glitter and then just add a tiny bit of resin until you get it to a good thick consistency. So the glitters I am using today are from Walmart. I have a gold glitter and black glitter that I mix together, and then I have these black foil pieces that I have never used that I got from Walmart. Also, it's in a package and just a bunch of different colors. So it's foil. I don't know how it's going to react, so you know, I have to experiment on everything. Hold on, I need to clean this mold real quick and I'll be right back. All right, to clean a mold, I like to spray it with a little bit of alcohol. This is 91%, and then just wipe it out, and then I let it dry out. So we're gonna have to pause here for a minute. But you want to make sure your molds are clean, but you also want to make sure they're dry. So all right, there we go. So I'll be right back. All right, so first we are going to put some clear, just pour some clear in here. You're going to want to put about 2/3 of the way full, because you are going to be adding quite a bit of resin. With the colors, so just make sure it's all covered. All right, let's see. Put a little bit more in this one. All right, that should do it. All right, so now I am going to put the centers, the glitter, just right in the middle. I'm not going to use it all right now. I'm going to put it in the center, and then at the end I'm going to put a little bit more. It's just to make sure it doesn't spread out too much. So, all right, there we go. Now, I'm gonna take whatever color you're using. You can use one color or two colors or more. So today I am just using the black and the white. So I'm going to go around the edge. Actually, I'm gonna hit it with the heat gun very lightly to pop the bubbles on low. Okay, there we go. Now, take my stick out. I'm gonna make a spout because the paper cups make it really easy to make a spout. So now we're just going to outline this flower with black around the edge, a wide amount here. Then we're gonna do actually, let's put a little bit more on this side. Okay, that should be enough. Then we'll put our white down. So Since I'm not using two colors, I'm making this wide, and then I'm going to put some white on top of it. If you're using two colors, you would just put it on the edge and then do the other color and then do that color again. So like if you were using gold and pink, you would put pink and then gold and then pink and then gold, and then you're going to do your white. But since we're just using black and white, then I'm just putting all the black down, and I'm going to put 2 lines of white. So okay. There we go. All right, before I do the white, I'm going to hit it with the heat gun one more time on low. Do the spout thing again. All right, so I'm going to do right in the middle, all the way around with the white. Okay. All right, now I'm going to put one on the edge of the outside of the black, right there. Doesn't have to be perfect. That's the thing about this method. It's really easy. It's hard to mess it up, and it's easy to do. All right. All right. So then you take a paintbrush, the end of a paintbrush, and you just zigzag back and forth all the way around, kind of in S shapes. You don't want them to be too small because then it gets convoluted. So there it is. How easy was that? This is inspired. I did this method with Naptime Creations, Tish from Naptime Creations, and she and her friend Jenny, I forget her last name. Anyway, I will post that below. I will link both of them so you can go check out their method of this. It is just too much fun and too easy with great results. So now I'm just scooting my glitter back over to the middle with my paintbrush. There we go. And now use the rest of this glitter. Put some extra in there. I found this to be the easiest way to make gorgeous flower coasters. And see what I did right there? So when you will spill inevitably. Just pull it back into center. All right, see? You just pull the glitter back into center. So it's pretty easy. All right, so now we are going to hit it with a heat gun one more time. And you kind of push in as you go around. Just push it in just a little. And this is on low. Okay, so I went around twice. Kind of pushing it toward the center. And that is it. So now we will just let this set up and come back and look at the results. Hopefully it will be wonderful. And be sure to check out Naptime Creations and Jen, and both of those links will be below because they are amazing artists. And I will be right back. All right, it is time to demold these. There's the back. There's the front. Aren't they pretty? I would not have minded if this had gone a little closer to the middle, but it did not. So they're still really pretty. It's my continuation of the black and white flowers. That's really pretty. And there's that side. So also, I have a bonus demolding. So I did not film pouring this because it was extra resin that I had from the black and whites that I posted on Monday. So I had some blue also left over. And so I made a feather trinket tray with the leftover black, clear, and blue. So I didn't figure you'd mind if I just throw that in there, the demolding, to see, you can see how it turned out. That's kind of cool. The blue definitely took over, which is interesting. Cool. All right, fun. Let me bring you in for a close-up. All right, here is a close-up. I like the movement that it got. I do wish it had gone closer to the center. I'd still like to have some clear, but not quite as much as that. So, but I think they're really pretty. Let's check out the back. Back is interesting too. Very strange. I think it's because I'm using a different resin. This is the Stonecoat resin. So here is the trinket tray. I am shocked that the blue like totally took over. I really didn't even have much of it left. But the black just didn't sink. I thought it would a bit, but that's okay. I still think it's really pretty. All right, guys, there it is. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.